Section 9.4 is on partial fraction decomposition. Before we do any of those types of problems though, I want to look at a review problem from algebra, and that is adding rational expressions. So when we add rational expressions, we need to get an LCD first. So my LCD between x plus 2 and x minus 3 is actually just going to be x plus 2 and x minus 3. So to add these, the left one is missing an x minus 3, but because you multiply the bottom, you also need to multiply the top. And the right one is missing an x plus 2. And then also don't forget to multiply the top. So I'm going to distribute those numbers, and that's going to be 3x minus 9 over the LCD plus 4x plus 8 over the LCD. So now that they have the same denominator, you can combine them. And the top is basically a combining like terms problem. So it's going to be 3x minus 9 plus 4x plus 8. And if you combine like terms, that's going to get you 7x minus 1. And that'll be our answer. So that was a review problem from algebra. For the next problem, number 2, we're going to be doing a partial fraction decomposition problem, and that's going to be actually the inverse of this process.